Hey there, awesome TurboTax accounting student. Mark Franke here. This is video number 1 for case number 1 in the Accounting 61 TurboTax class. So hopefully you have bought TurboTax Deluxe, the 2020 version, and installed it on your computer. If not, you have to do that. Here's what it will look like when you open it up. Now, I've already done one practice tax return, but what we're going to do is click on Start a New Return. So when you open up TurboTax Deluxe, it may ask you if it wants to update any of the forms. Go ahead and do the update, and then start a new return. TurboTax software will walk you through how to do each step, or the way I'm going to show you is, and if you get this screen, I'm going to just select continue without transferring. It's found my tax return from last year and it wants to update it. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to start a brand new return. And the first name is Tom. This is Tom Lasorda. Completely fictitious person. We will say his occupation is a manager. Serve in the armed forces? No. Continue. Zip code 90072. This is information that I'm going to be putting in from the handout that I provided you for case 1, version number 1. California, yes. Did you live in another state? No. Birth date is 07/02/1993. Continue. No one can claim me as a dependent. None of the above. Single. No. Tom was not a student in any higher education classes. No. Did not make money in any other states. And no. I don't have any children or financially support another person. This is a basic tax return for a single person named Tom Lasorda. Continue. Street address 116. So the street address is in your handout. I'm going to pause the video and I will put in the street address and I'll be right back. All right, so through the magic of video, I've put in the address and phone number for Tom Lasorda, and I'll click continue. Social Security number 532-544513. Of course, I just made this number up, so hopefully there's not somebody out there with that number, but I've used it for a number of years and no one has ever contacted me. So now we're going to get a summary screen of all the stuff that has been put in for Tom Lasorda, including filing status, name, address, phone number, social security number. Continue. And again, and we have a W-2. It's going to prompt you for the W-2. So we'll just go ahead and Continue on and put in 32-215-4415. This is the employer ID number that's in the handout. And then we're going to put in the employer information. So I'll put that in and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the employer name, the state, the zip code. We'll just continue on. We don't really need to have the address in there. If you want to make something up, that's fine. But what we're going to do is input the information from the W-2 for wages, $65,451.25, federal tax, $77,81.23, Social Security wages, $67,451.25. It's $2,000 more. Social Security tax, $41,81.98. Medicare wages, $67,451.25, and the Medicare tax, $978.04. We have in box 12, this is option D, elective deferrals for a 401k plan. This is in your handout for the box 12 spot. $2,000. We also have to click the retirement plan box, box 13. And then we're going to put in the state information. So state employer number is 238,57,672. Wages are $65,451.25, and the state tax is $32,60.15. Again, information from your handout. And we'll click continue. None of the above. And no more W-2s. We just have the one, so we'll say no and continue. And done. $65,451.25 is the wages. So now we're going to say no, take me to other deductions and credits. We actually do have other income, but we'll deal with that in video number 2. So we'll say take me to the credits and no foreign bank account. Oh, sorry, I said yes. No bank account, a foreign bank account. And not affected by the natural disaster. No virtual currency, no Bitcoins this year. And there's our wages. And when we get to, do you want to enter your deductions and credits? Click on, I'll choose what I work on. And we'll just pick the one we want to use. And scroll down to where it says alimony paid under other deductions and credits. Alimony paid, click start. Did you pay alimony? Yes. This is in your handout at the bottom of the first page. The recipient name is Alexis Thompson. Whose Social Security number is 612-204-217. We paid $10,000, and the date of the original divorce was 9/14/2018. Continue. And done. Continue. So we're back to the deductions and credits screen. Right now, our check figure is $2,514 refund. That completes everything we need to put in for the first page. So in video number 2, we'll flip it over and continue on. See you then.